we're going to do a full tour of our 2018 pre-COVID built Montana. It's a 3121 RL, and RL means raised letters on the tires.
It means rear living, and it's a 2018.
Oh, what year did I say?
You didn't say the year. I
Oh.
had to throw that in. Make sure
Okay.
people know.
Well,
We love it.
and we're also going to share a few things we would change if we could.
A few things that we wouldn't change that we find very enjoyable and very simple. Stay tuned.
What she meant to say is make things more. What she meant to say is make things more enjoyable and more simple.
That's what I said.
Yeah. All right. So go play that back and see what she really said.
Subscribe and hit like.
Yeah,
Right here.
absolutely. All right, so here we are. We're in the RL, rear living space, as Susan politely let us know earlier. And one of the things I absolutely love is that we have a big 50-inch TV.
I absolutely love the fireplace early in the morning. Jeff will have that going on these bitter mornings we've had.
You have some room to put some pictures. And of course, our original ESP painting that our daughter Hannah made for us years and years and years ago when we started living the ESP life to make things more enjoyable, more simple, and more prosperous. And then we have Sue, who's trying to get out of the camera. And we have a couple lounge chairs. These are electric. Power reclining. All right, wake
Enjoyable.
up. Too much sleeping. Our dining room that's acting as a desk right now. And we have our electric photo frame there. Absolutely love that. This is a 3-slide unit, so this slide is going to extend almost 42 inches. We get a dining area. We have a couple more chairs for the table. We just don't have them out right now. And then our center island. Nice big sink, deep. 3-burner stove. Nice size oven. Yeah. Lots of drawers. And you know, we told you we want to give you 3 things that we really like. One of them is, in a lot of RVs, your refrigerator is very small. This is massive.
Residential.
Freezer on the bottom, fridge on top, has an ice maker, and there's all kinds of room in this monster. We even got almost a quarter of beef in the freezer.
Your lovely assistant.
Yeah, there we go.
Ice maker.
And then I remember one of the first things Sue looked at was the pantry.
Don't look too close.
Yeah, don't look too close, because we're looking. But it is a nice sized pantry. We have a nice little coffee bar area here. And a place to leave some keys. And we found a place to hang Susan's painting.
Now we're going to show you our tiny but spacious bathroom. Sounds like an oxymoron.
Speaking of morons.
We love, and stay out. We love this door. It's very functional. We have a really deep cabinet for extra lotion, shampoo, towels. Tons of storage. The shower is huge with a seat. Plenty of shelving for shampoos, body washes, face washes, etc. Did you get my pretty towel?
Oh yeah, you want to see the pretty towel?
It matches these towels.
Matches these towels.
Jeff's not allowed to use the pretty towel. To our bedroom. So one of the other things we love is this dual air mattress. Jeff can keep his side a little more firm. I can keep my side a little softer. We have a huge hanging closet. This in here, office closet, washer dryer. Kind of messy, but
That's
anyway,
all
where we keep extra toilet.
Open up that closet door. You better do my side.
Yeah, of
My
course.
side's a little neater.
I don't know about that.
Yeah.
He threw all of our shoes in there. That's our closet. TV. We can watch videos and movies, whatever we want in here. We love it. Little dresser, tons of storage in there. I like my little rechargeable lamps. I got those at Meijer.
Wanted to show you our cargo area beneath the fifth wheel. This is our garage, and one of the accessories we really like has been our MoRide sliding tray that allows you easy access to all of your tools and cargo. Keep cleaning supplies down there, grilling supplies. Really makes it easy to access things that normally you'd have to pull out 3 containers to get to one all the way in the middle. And it does slide out from the other side as well. So this has been a great addition. So these have been a few of the things that are making our life more simple, more enjoyable. And we did bring down some flower planters that we had at our bike shop, just to brighten things up a little bit. Got the black stone. Cook a lot of breakfast and some stir fry out here with that one. So one of the things I would change if I had the opportunity would be the placement of the awning or the door. If somehow in the engineering process the door wasn't over at the edge of the awning. When it rains on a light drizzly day where you can leave the awnings out, you get a lot of rain will come right down over the door, so you can't leave the door open with just the screen door in place. So I would change that if at all possible. Not sure if you know it, but there's a couple different ways you can stay in a campground for free nowadays. One is to be a camp host, where in particularly like state parks, you would swap out 20 hours a week in exchange for your camping site for the month. Usually 3 to 6 month contract times. Here we're doing a little bit more. It's work camping, so I'll do some maintenance while Sue works in the office taking reservations. One of the little perks I picked up from the campground this year is the use of this Polaris Ranger, which is a lot of fun. So that just about completes our tour of the Montana. Thanks for watching, and we definitely hope to see you again here real soon. We're going to try and drop a new video every Tuesday when possible.